If you are looking forward to getting more followers on any social media platform, being it Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all the rest, you understand? Any social media you can think about, you understand? You are doing it the wrong way, trust me. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to gain multiple followers, plenty followers. In fact, the followers which you are thinking about of getting on social media in just one easy step. So if you want to attain this better result, make sure you watch this video to the end, like the video, make sure you share it to your friends. Alright, thank you very much. Let's continue. These days, getting more social media followers has become the worries of many people, being it celebrities, upcoming artists, in fact individuals who are willing to promote their brands. That's why today I got you covered in this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you one website which you can use it to gain more followers towards that social media platform you are been dreaming of. Okay, so this website can be opened on all smartphones, laptops, or even desktop computers. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below. Using my link, you are going to gain 10% discount on all your purchase from that website. This website I'm talking about is IQ Booster. IQ Booster have been in existence for number of years now, but not everybody knows about it. So this website, what is that? It gives you organic followers towards your social media handles. You understand? All you have to do is just log to the website using the link in the description below. You understand? Log onto the website, follow the steps, create an account with them. After creating an account, you select the package you want, being it Instagram followers, YouTube followers, Twitter followers, in fact everything you can just think about. And the bonus step is they help you getting YouTube subscribers and YouTube views. So with this, you have to select the package you want, and trust me, their prices are just way beyond imaginations. You understand? Like very low. Just low. In Ghana here, with just 40 cedis, you can be able to get a package of your choice. You understand? So all I want you to do is just click on the link below, get the subscription. Click on the link below, log on to the website, and follow everything I'm teaching you here. After you select your package, you make sure you pay the amount you've been charged for. You understand? So after paying the amount you've been charged for, you just wait for some few minutes, and your payment will be processed. After it is done, they will ask you to post your link. That's your social media handles link. You understand? You post it in some bar they will give you. You understand? It's like some space there. You will just post it inside, and just within 1 hour you just see the followers. And mind you, these are organic followers. You understand? Real life followers. You understand? Not some sites that they will just tell you that they will just give you followers. It seems your followers can just improve from 1k to 10k. Then if you post a picture, no likes. In fact, videos, no views. Just the followers are just there for fun. You understand? But IQ Booster is not like that. I'm a witness, and I've been able to gain much followers from this particular site. Make sure you also use this advantage to grow your social media handles. Alright, make sure you use the link in the description below to get 10% discount from all your packages you apply for. Alright, thank you very much. This is K Brown, and this is Key Media. Alright, thank you very much.